Hi, this is a pacing chart for our class on blended flipped learning that you signed up for. First of all, I have all of your names and email addresses over here. And the reason that they are color coded is because the very last assignment over here says one of the major components of blended learning is both formative and summative assessments. Each participant will be assigned to a group. Each person will create an assessment that can be used in their classroom. Other members of the group will take the assessment. Then once you have completed that, you will add the link to your assessment right here. Here are some tools that you can use. I have color-coded the groups. There are 4 people in each group, and this is the email address of the people in your group. So you will be able to connect with the folks in your group and have them take your assessment. So this is how this is going to work. As you notice, when I hover over the first assignment, complete the form documenting the sessions, there is a link. That will take you to the form if you haven't completed it already. Once you've done that, just put a checkbox in the cell next to your email address that you have completed that. The next assignment is going to be to sign up to the Google Plus community and post in the Google Plus community about your new learning from the conference that you attended, and then read and respond to at least one other posting in the community. And this is the link to the community, and you will need to sign up. Right now, you may have already signed up but not been added to the community because it is set that the moderator needs to approve. And in reality, we are not the moderators. Carrie Astrop is, but we have requested that she approve you all right away, and that perhaps she could allow us to be moderators too for this community. Then we said in the syllabus that you would be taking quizzes over the reading. So if you'll note over here, you are to read the introduction in part 1 and understanding, and the quiz is going to be quiz number 1, and this would be due around November 4th. And this, if you hover over it again, you'll notice this is the link that will take you out to the quiz so that you can complete your quiz. We set the quizzes up so we'll be able to see that you've taken the quiz and be able to provide you some feedback. The next one is, and this particular quiz is in, let's see, it's in the, this one's in Go Formative, I'm sorry. Then the next one over here is due November 11th, and this is in a program called Quizzes, and this is the code, your student code to enter the classroom and to take that quiz. The next one part is due November 18th, and that particular one is in Forms. Google Forms has a quiz component now, and you can take it there, and this is the link to that particular quiz. The next one is in a program called Quizalize, and this is the code for Quizalize right here, and it is case sensitive, so you will need to use lowercase k X Z numeral 274, and this is the link for that one. The last quiz is due December 14th, and the quiz is in Pear Deck, and the code for it is right here, and again, it is case sensitive. Once you have completed all of these, all of the cells will all have an X in them or a check or whatever, however you want to document that you've completed them, and then you will need to create your quiz in one of these or something else that you know about and share it with your group. Remember, they're color coded over here, and they will take the quiz, and then you will put a link to your quiz right here, and that will be the end of the class. So if you have any questions, feel free to email either Judy or myself, and we will answer them to the best of our abilities. Thank you for signing up for our class.